scrap, mate.
Is it scrap? I've got my camera on, is that alright, boss?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, I do my videos, didn't I? Right, alright, cheers, I'll whack it on the back. There we go, people, we've got a shredder. Alright, boss. I bet this still works.
What is it?
Shredder, innit? For twigs and that. I get some right good stuff, I do. And I just throw it off every time.
How much you guys pay for copper these days?
I don't know what it is at the moment. Ain't been out for a few weeks.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, well I think it's going to drop. It always drops near Christmas. Alright, that's that one done, people. A little find.